Find or read reviews that people are talking about XWOW R2 robot vacuum and mop combo, with real-time cleaning crawler mop, self-cleaning station self-filling washing and drying. Robot vacuum cleaner with LDS Lidar navigation, laser obstacle avoidance. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Why you choose XWOW R2 robot vacuum and mop combo. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Revolutionary real-time cleaning system. The first crawler-type robot mop with no secondary pollution technology during floor cleaning. Edge brush and edge bar help collect corner debris, and the 3500 PA strong suction inhales every garbage into the robot. Cyclic water spray and real-time sewage recovery system mop the floors 80 times/minute, leaving no stains. Enable you getting a traditional robot vacuum and wet dry cleaner with this combined in one sleek machine. Cutting-edge mopping technology. The XWOW vacuum robot equipped with the highest 2.0 and downward cleaning pressure and high-speed rolling reverse friction on the floor, providing a unparalleled powerful cleaning. The 510 square centimeters unfolded mopping area is over 2 times larger than traditional flat mops and rotary mops, making it a unique solution for those seeking an efficient and effective way to clean their floors. Intelligent 4-in-1 self-cleaning station. Before cleaning start up, the station adds water to the robot, and once clean up, it automatically finish water refilling, sewage recovering, mop washing, and hot hair drying to prevent odors, making maintenance just a breeze. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. XWOW vacuum cleaner robot employs LDS laser LiDAR technology to scan the surrounding environment with exceptional precision and generate a dynamic map of the immediate vicinity in real time. Combines with 3 sets of linear laser sensors and the 6 high-precision cameras, it can precisely identifying obstacles over 1.79 inch, enabling seamless navigation even in complete darkness. 4 cleaning modes and ultra-long battery life. Single vacuum, single mop, vacuum and mop, vacuum first then mop with edge and zigzag cleaning. Suitable for different floor materials and different rooms. With 260 minutes runtime, the automatic vacuum cleaner robot can easily clean a large house in one go. Personalized scene setting with one click. Freely choose the cleaning time, mode, strength, and frequency, which can be done at any time, whether at work, home, or outside. Full curved arc design, winner of the US Muse Design Platinum Award, effectively preventing pets and children from colliding. Again, if you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.